Good morning, children. Joyadash here. Today we will do the last part of exercise 6.2. Only two sums are left from question number 5 A and B. Let's do this sum. As you have the concept of integer now, it is very clear now. So the question was -7 plus -9 plus 4 plus 16. What you will do, you will first arrange the numbers with their sign, but in this sum it is already arranged. Two negative integers are in first place and two positive integers are here. So what you have to do, -7 and -9, actually they are same sign, so you will add them with this sign only. So when I was checking your copy, students, I have seen that you are just in hurry of submitting the copy, but the purpose of learning maths is not that how fast you are submitting the copy. The purpose is you have to understand the concept of what is explaining in the class, and you have to be careful about your sign, whatever the sign you have to give. Otherwise you will submit the copy and the questions and the answers are wrong. Then what is the use of this sum? No, you are now very intelligent boys, I know, but you have to concentrate. Whatever you are submitting, is it correct? If it is not, then check again two times, three times. Understood? I hope next time when you will submit your copy, you will check it 2-3 times, then you will submit. No hurry, don't show any hurry, don't do any hurry to submitting your copy. Now -7 and -9, you 7 and 9, you know it is 16, but the sign is negative, so negative sign will come in front because two negative integers you are adding, so it must be negative. And here you are adding two positive integers, 4 plus 16, it will be 20 only. Understood? Now see, there some this is -16 and this is +20, so these two are different signs. So remember that colored button related practical work. That practical work will help you to understand why you have to subtract. You are arranging this pair, negative positive, then how many negative you have? You have -16 negative, and from here if you are taking -16 negative outside, then what will left here? Then it will be -16 plus 20 means plus 4 positive buttons will left. Do you remember that? Can you relate this sum with that button sum? Positive negative colored button I have shown you. I hope you all understood this. Thank you, student. For this sum you have to write this answer. Next question is, check this question. 37 minus 2 plus -65 plus -8. Now here the sums are not arranged. You have to arrange them. To arrange them, what you will do? Arrange them first. Positive one, 37, and no one is positive, so only one positive number was there, 37. Then -2 plus -65 plus -8. They have already arranged, that means positive sign was there and 2 and 3 negative signs are there, integers are there. So 37 and all of them are negative integers, so you have to add them. 65 plus 8 plus 2, 65, 8, 2, 75. Understood? Then it will be -75 because all of them have negative, all the three integers are negative integers, so their addition will be negative integer only. Now what happened? When you are the last condition, it is positive number and it is negative number, then take that pair with the colored button. 37 positive buttons are there, 37 positive negative buttons if you take from here, then some negative buttons will left. How many? Subtract it. 37 if you subtract it, minus and plus different sign, so you need to subtract. This is a rough work you are doing, and when you are doing some rough work, draw a line of rough work and write also rough work. This is your rough work column. When you are subtracting it, subtraction of 7 to 15, 8, 1 carry 4, 4, 30. Then which sign will come? Negative sign, because when you are pairing positive 37 button, positive buttons and positive 37 negative buttons, if you take outside, then only negative 38 buttons will left here. Understood? This is your second sum of exercise 6.2. Next we will go to next exercise 6.3. Okay students, now question number 1 from 6.3. Find the value of, question number A is 35 minus 20. You have to find the value only. I have written another sum also, minus 15 minus 18. In this way you have to do the sum. But before that I want to explain something from your book. From your book I want to explain something. Page number 129. Check from the book. See, you please try to understand what is telling here. If 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, I am showing you. If 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, if 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, it is correct. From nursery KG you are doing this sum. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. But can you tell me, 6 from 6, if you subtract minus 2, is it 4 also? Is it 4 also? If you are subtracting 2 from 6, the result is 4, okay? But if you subtract minus 2 from 6, and if you are subtracting minus 2 from 6, is the result is 4? No, it is not correct. So it is not equal to, this is not equal to 4. No? Then we have to think something different. What you have to do, now go to the next page. That means it is very clear that 6 minus 2 is not equal to, and when I cross this, that means not equal to 6 minus 2. That means 6 minus 2's value, whatever the value will come, is not the same of the value when you are subtracting minus 2 from 6. Understood? Now in the book it is given very nicely, and I will expect that all of you will underline this one and try to understand. See, when you are, can you see the book? Then when we are subtracting 6 minus 2, we are getting 8, because we have to move when we are adding any minus sign, when we are subtracting any minus sign, on the number line we have to go to right side. We have to move to the right side of the number. When we are subtracting any negative sign, when minus number, minus integer, then we have to move to the right side. So when we are subtracting minus 2 from 6, subtracting minus 2 from 6, we have to go to right side of 6. See, we have to go to right side of 6, and where we have reached? Can you see? We have already reached at 8. You can see from your page, and you can underline this also. Afterwards, slowly you will understand this nicely. But now you just read, and whatever I have explaining, you keep it in your mind. Understood? Now when we are subtracting any negative number, that means when we are subtracting any negative number we have to move to the right side of the number line, and the result will be, after 6 you have to go to 2 places of the number line and you will get the result is 8. Understood? Now come to your sum. Question number A, and you have to, it is very easy sum for you, I know. It is 35 minus 20, very neat and clean sum. You have to subtract it, and when you will subtract you will get only 15, and it is positive number is like greater number, so positive result, positive sign will come, and it is the answer. Next is minus 15. Again see, this is minus 15 and you have to go to the you are going to the subtract minus 18 from minus 15. This one, the whatever it is the number, but when you are subtracting any negative number, actually you are adding it, because you have to go to the right side of the number line. So what you will do, minus 15 plus 18, you have to go to right side, so plus only. Now see, these two signs are different and you have to subtract different sign, you can't add. When you are subtracting you are getting 3, and larger sign, greater number sign is positive, so it is plus 3. You can write plus also, without plus also it is indicating plus only. Next question is, find the, fill in the blanks with greater sign, less sign or equal to sign, greater than, less than or equal to sign. So left hand side and right hand side you have to do the sum. You have to solve the sum with left hand side, right hand side manner. Left hand side, minus 3 plus minus 6. So though you are adding, but a negative number you are adding, so it is actually you are subtracting. Minus 6 minus, so it is same sign, and 2 negative numbers you are adding, then it will become minus 8 only. And for the right side, right hand side, what is the number? Minus 3 minus minus 6. Again the same condition, minus 3, and you are subtracting any minus sign, that means actually you are adding. So minus into minus become plus. Now see what number you are getting, 3 minus 3 plus 6. Different sign you need to subtract, and the result is 3. 3 minus 6. 6 minus 3, result is 3. What kind of 3? Positive 3 or negative 3? Yes, it is positive 3. Now from you, when you have to compare with these two number, one is minus 8 and another is plus 3. You tell me which number is greater, minus 8 or plus 3? Yes, positive numbers are always greater than the negative numbers. So 3 is greater, that means our right side portion is greater. Our right side portion is greater, so greater. The open face is greater sign and the closed portion is smaller. Greater, smaller. So which portion is greater? Right side portion is greater. In the same way, we will do the next sum also. In the same way, we will do the next sum. Now, it is minus 21, left hand side, minus 21 minus minus 10, and here you have to put greater than and less than value, then minus 13 plus minus 11. Okay, first we will concentrate on the left hand side. Minus 21 minus 10, minus 21 minus 10, that means minus 21, and you are subtracting a negative number, so it will become a positive number. Actually you are adding, so this is 10, and when these two are different sign, you have to subtract. When you are subtracting, okay, subtract 21 from 10, it is coming 11 only, but tell me the sign, greater number sign here. This one is, so when you subtract this one, this pair, if you take, only 11 negative button will left. Okay, leave it. Now come to this portion, minus 31, or left hand side, sorry, right hand side, minus 31 plus minus 11. Actually, you are adding a negative sign. So, minus 31 plus minus 11. Both are same sign. What you have to do? Minus, both are negative sign. So, you are adding 42. When 31 plus 31 and 11 you are adding, this will become 42, as because they are negative, so negative sign will come in front. Now compare. One is minus 11 and another is minus 42. On the number line, when you are thinking of a number line, and which number you will place on the right side, minus 11 will come in right side or minus 42 will come in right side. Think and give me the answer. Minus 11, when you are going to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, in this way minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, in this way minus 42 will come where left side, more left side. So when you are comparing with these two numbers, tell me which number will become in rightmost side. When you are comparing, actually when you are comparing these two values, which number will come in right side? Yes, this one. So when in a number line, which number is right side, it will be larger number. So our left hand side is larger. This is larger sign and this is smaller sign. I hope all of you understand it, and if you have need to watch the video 2-3 times, it will you can watch and try to understand it. I hope it will be easy for you. Thank you, students.